I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you week 14, which is April the 6th through the 12th. We're looking at the imperfect tense. You want to study pages 214 to 219, 230 to 233, pages 254 to 57, and review pages 182 to 185. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to talk about what used to happen and what you used to do in the past. You should also be able to describe a scene in the past. You should be able to contrast what happened in the past with something else that was going on. You should be able to use food vocabulary and pronunciation rules to answer the following questions. ¿A ti, a tu familia, les gusta comer en restaurantes? ¿Te apetece tomar café después de comer? ¿Te molestan los meseros impacientes? ¿Qué le dices a un buen mesero? ¿Qué le das a un buen mesero? All of this week's assignments are due by the end of the day, the 9th of April. You want to start this week like all others by looking at your instructor videos, which deals with the imperfect in Chapter 7 vocabulary. After you've watched the videos, then you'll want to come back out here, click on the class participation form, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about material covered in the videos or any other questions or concerns you have about material covered in the class. All right, then you have oral dialogue 3. You're actually going to be uploading you're going to be doing the actual recording. Remember that, I don't know how far up here it is because I'm doing these in advance. Here it is. It's up here. This workshop, you know how the workshops work. We've done these multiple times at this point, that you wrote a script and then you critique someone else's script. Wait to do your recording until you see that little workshop right above here. When it's right above here, you'll open it up and you'll find a script that says critiqued by Jennifer Ray. You want to use that script to make your recording. So while you're looking at it, then you will make a recording for me, and I've given you 4 different ways to do that. And as soon as this loads, I will show you them. Okay, so there's the questions again. The first way you can do it is with VidGrid, and I updated my video because I think the video, I didn't realize this until recently, was a little bit outdated, but this video will show you how to do a VidGrid video, and essentially you'll hit this record button, and then you will either embed your recording or paste your URL into the assignment. If you don't want to use VidGrid, if you have some other recording device on your computer, then you use that. And this video will tell you how to embed it into the assignment. You can always use Vocaroo. This video tells you how to use Vocaroo, and this is the link to it. Or option 4 tells you how to set up a YouTube account, and then you can use your phone if you want to, and it tells you how to get the URL and again to paste it into the assignment. Okay, you also have assignment 14 where you're going to visit my language labs. You're going to click on the alarm clock and you're going to complete these activities, these SAM and extra practice activities. So when you're ready, you click on my language lab. Okay, then you'll click on the course calendar. And then you will click on, I forget when our assignments are due. I think they're due on the 9th. Hold on. Then you'll toggle over here till April, and then you'll click on the 9th, and the assignment should pop up in the middle, and then you'll complete the SAM and extra practice assignments that have been assigned. And that's everything that you have to do for this week.